Inside the life of a bison, my journey through habitats, herds, and hidden wonders. Stepping into the world of the bison is like opening a window to a rich tapestry of history, nature, and resilience. These majestic creatures, with their towering frames and shaggy coats, have roamed the North American plains for thousands of years, embodying the spirit of the wild. In this journey, I invite you to walk alongside me as I explore the diverse habitats they call home, witness the dynamics of their herds, and uncover the hidden wonders that define their existence. From vast grasslands to serene river valleys, the life of a bison is a story of survival, adaptation, and profound connection to the land. Join me as we delve into the fascinating world of one of nature's most iconic giants. Bison are magnificent creatures that have roamed North America for thousands of years, embodying strength, resilience, and a deep connection to the natural world. There are two main species of bison, the American bison, bison, and the European bison, Bison bonasus. The American bison, often simply called buffalo, is the iconic symbol of the Great Plains, known for its massive head, shaggy dark brown fur, and impressive shoulder hump. In contrast, the European bison tends to be slightly taller and leaner, with lighter coloration and less pronounced shoulder humps. Bison are remarkable for their adaptability. They thrive in diverse habitats ranging from open grasslands to forested areas. Their large, muscular bodies are built for endurance rather than speed, enabling them to travel long distances in search of food and water. One of their most distinctive features is their thick coat, which provides insulation against harsh winters and helps regulate their body temperature throughout the seasons. Beyond their physical traits, bison are highly social animals, living in herds that follow complex social structures. These herds typically consist of females and their offspring, while mature bulls often roam separately, except during mating season. Understanding these characteristics offers a glimpse into the fascinating life of bison, setting the stage for a deeper exploration of their habitats, behaviors, and the hidden wonders they embody. Bison are remarkable creatures that have adapted to thrive in a variety of habitats across North America. While most people picture them roaming the vast open plains, these majestic animals also make their homes in forested areas, river valleys, and even mountainous regions. Exploring bison habitats reveals just how versatile and resilient these giants truly are. The iconic image of bison grazing on the rolling grasslands of the Great Plains is well deserved. Here, the wide open spaces provide ample grasses, sedges, and flowering plants that make up the bulk of their diet. The flat terrain allows herds to spot predators from a distance, giving them an edge in survival. These plains are not only a feeding ground, but also a dynamic environment where bison play a vital role in maintaining the health of the ecosystem by grazing and trampling, which promotes plant diversity. However, bison are not limited to open grasslands. In places like the boreal forests of Canada and parts of the northern United States, bison navigate dense woods and uneven terrain. These forested habitats offer a different set of challenges and resources. Here, bison graze on a mix of grasses, shrubs, and even tree bark during harsh winters when other food sources are scarce. Their thick coats provide insulation against cold temperatures, enabling them to endure harsh winters in these heavily wooded areas. Throughout my journey, witnessing bison adapt to these contrasting environments underscored their incredible ability to survive and flourish. Whether in sun-drenched plains or shadowy forests, bison remain an enduring symbol of North America's wild heritage, embodying strength, adaptability, and the deep connection between wildlife and habitat. Bison are fascinating creatures, not only because of their impressive size and strength, but also due to their complex social structure. Understanding how bison interact within their herds offers a glimpse into their survival strategies and behavior patterns that have evolved over centuries. Typically, bison herds are matriarchal, consisting mainly of females and their offspring. These groups are led by an experienced cow who guides the herd to grazing areas and water sources, ensuring the survival of the younger members. The social bonds within the herd are strong, with mothers often forming close-knit groups where calves can play and learn essential skills in a safe environment. Male bison, on the other hand, tend to live more solitary lives or form small bachelor groups, especially outside the breeding season. During the rut, dominant bulls compete fiercely for mating rights, showcasing impressive displays of strength and endurance. These interactions help maintain genetic diversity and the overall health of the population. The social dynamics within bison herds are a delicate balance of cooperation and competition, shaped by environmental pressures and the need for protection against predators. Observing these interactions in the wild reveals not only the resilience of bison, but also the intricate web of relationships that sustain their communities. Bison are fascinating creatures whose daily routines are deeply intertwined with the rhythms of the natural world. From dawn to dusk, these majestic animals follow patterns that ensure their survival and social cohesion within the herd. Typically, bison spend a significant portion of their day grazing on grasses, sedges, and other vegetation, carefully selecting nutrient-rich plants to sustain their large bodies. Their feeding sessions often occur during the cooler hours of the morning and late afternoon, allowing them to avoid the midday heat. Beyond feeding, bison engage in various behaviors that strengthen herd bonds and establish social hierarchies. Males, especially during the rutting season, display assertive behaviors such as wallowing in dust baths, sparring with rivals, and emitting deep grunts to communicate dominance and attract mates. Meanwhile, females tend to stay close-knit, caring for their calves and maintaining a protective watch over the group. Rest and movement are also essential components of their daily life. Bison frequently alternate between grazing and resting periods, often lying down to ruminate and digest their food. When threatened, they can quickly mobilize, showcasing impressive speed and agility despite their massive size. Observing these patterns reveals the intricate balance bison maintain between foraging, social interaction, and vigilance, a testament to their adaptability and resilience in the wild. Bison are remarkable creatures, perfectly adapted to the changing rhythms of the seasons. Their seasonal movements and migration patterns are not just fascinating behaviors, they are essential for their survival. As the weather shifts, bison herds traverse vast landscapes in search of fresh grazing grounds, water sources, and shelter from harsh elements. During the warmer months, bison often roam the open plains and grasslands, where an abundance of nutrient-rich grasses fuels their strength and growth. As autumn approaches and temperatures begin to drop, the herds start migrating toward lower elevations or sheltered valleys to escape the biting winds and deepening snow. This movement is a carefully timed journey, one passed down through generations, ensuring the bison find optimal conditions throughout the year. Migration is also a social affair. The herd moves together, guided by experienced leaders who know the safest routes and best feeding spots. Along the way, these migrations reveal hidden wonders of the natural world, pristine rivers, untouched meadows, and the interplay of countless other species sharing the ecosystem. Their migration is a testament to the intricate balance of nature, reminding us of the importance of preserving these wild landscapes so future generations can continue to experience the awe-inspiring journey of the bison. Bison are impressive grazers, perfectly adapted to thrive in the vast grasslands and prairies they call home. Their diet primarily consists of a variety of grasses, sedges, and herbs, which they forage throughout the day with remarkable efficiency. Unlike many other herbivores, bison have a unique ability to digest tough, fibrous plants thanks to their specialized multi-chambered stomachs that ferment and break down cellulose. During the warmer months, bison focus on nutrient-rich grasses, carefully selecting the freshest shoots to maximize energy intake. As seasons change and snow blankets the ground, their foraging behavior shifts. They use their massive heads and strong neck muscles to sweep aside snow, uncovering dormant grasses and shrubs beneath. This resilience allows them to sustain themselves even in harsh winter conditions. Interestingly, bison also play a crucial role in shaping their ecosystem through their grazing habits. By selectively feeding on certain plants, they help maintain the balance between grasses and woody vegetation, promoting biodiversity in their habitats. Watching a bison herd move slowly across a landscape, you can witness nature's intricate dance of survival and adaptation, all centered around the simple act of eating. Bison are more than just majestic creatures roaming the plains. They are keystone species that play a crucial role in maintaining the health and balance of their ecosystems. Their grazing habits help shape the landscape, promoting biodiversity by preventing any single plant species from dominating and allowing a rich variety of grasses and wildflowers to thrive. As bison move across vast territories, their hooves aerate the soil, which enhances water absorption and nutrient cycling, ultimately supporting the growth of healthy vegetation. Beyond their impact on plant life, bison also influence other animals in their environment. Their wallows, depressions created when they roll on the ground, collect rainwater, and create many habitats for amphibians and insects. These small pools become vital breeding grounds and contribute to the intricate web of life within the ecosystem. Predators such as wolves and bears depend on bison as a food source, which helps regulate populations and keeps the ecosystem in balance. In essence, bison are ecosystem engineers. Their presence promotes resilience and diversity, making them indispensable to the health of grasslands and prairies. Understanding their role deepens our appreciation for these magnificent animals and highlights the importance of conserving their habitats for future generations. Despite their majestic presence and historical significance, bison populations today face numerous challenges and threats that jeopardize their survival. Habitat loss is one of the most pressing issues. As human development expands, vast stretches of native grasslands are converted into agricultural fields, urban areas, or industrial sites. This fragmentation not only reduces the space available for bison to roam freely, but also disrupts their natural migration patterns, which are essential for maintaining healthy herds. In addition to habitat loss, bison contend with genetic bottlenecks due to their population decline in the 19th and early 20th centuries. Many herds today descend from a limited number of individuals, leading to reduced genetic diversity and increased vulnerability to disease. Speaking of disease, outbreaks such as brucellosis pose a significant threat, often resulting in conflicts between wildlife managers, ranchers, and conservationists. Human-wildlife conflicts also arise when bison stray onto private lands or agricultural areas, leading to concerns over crop damage or cattle health. These tensions can result in culling or restricted movement of bison herds, further complicating conservation efforts. Despite these challenges, ongoing conservation programs, protected reserves, and collaborative efforts between indigenous communities and wildlife organizations offer hope. By understanding and addressing these threats, we can ensure that bison continue to thrive and maintain their vital role in North America's ecosystems. The story of the bison is not just one of survival, but of remarkable recovery, thanks to dedicated conservation efforts spanning over a century. Once numbering in the tens of millions across North America, bison populations were devastated by overhunting and habitat loss in the 19th century, dwindling to fewer than 1,000 individuals by the late 1800s. Recognizing the urgent need to protect this iconic species, conservationists, indigenous communities, and government agencies came together to initiate programs aimed at restoring bison to their natural habitats. One of the most inspiring success stories is the establishment of protected reserves such as Yellowstone National Park, where bison roam freely and have helped revive the ecosystem. Additionally, numerous private ranches and tribal lands have implemented breeding and reintroduction programs that prioritize genetic diversity and sustainable management. These efforts have led to a significant rebound, with bison numbers now reaching over 500,000 across North America, though they still require careful stewardship. Beyond population growth, conservation initiatives focus on educating the public about the ecological and cultural importance of bison. Many indigenous tribes view the bison as a sacred animal and integral to their heritage, actively participating in restoration projects that honor traditional knowledge alongside scientific approaches. These collaborations have not only aided in the bison's comeback, but have also fostered a deeper appreciation and respect for this majestic species. The ongoing conservation work is a testament to human commitment to preserving wildlife. It serves as a hopeful reminder that, with concerted effort and care, even species once on the brink of extinction can thrive once more, enriching the landscapes and stories they inhabit. Exploring the life of a bison has been an incredible journey filled with discovery and awe. From wandering vast grasslands to observing the intricate dynamics within their herds, we've uncovered the hidden wonders that make these majestic creatures truly remarkable. Understanding their habitats and behaviors not only deepens our appreciation for bison, but also underscores the importance of preserving the ecosystems they call home. Whether you're a wildlife enthusiast or simply curious, we hope this glimpse into the world of bison inspires you to connect more deeply with nature and support efforts to protect these iconic animals for generations to come. Or